Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday morning, August 11th, 2025, and we have a great mix of business and corporate headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Sigler Guff leads refinancing for AeroFarms as vertical farming advances with profitable push. AeroFarms, the indoor vertical farming company based in Ringgold, Va, has secured refinancing led by Sigler Guff to support operations in Danville, Va. The company also raised equity financing to fund pre-construction activities at a second farm. AeroFarms aims to provide local food production while preserving natural resources. Sigler Guff, along with Waterside Commercial Finance, provided interim financing until an expected permanent USDA guaranteed loan is received. The new loan offers a more favorable interest rate and interest-only terms. The equity funding came from existing investors, including Grosvenor Food and AgTech and IKEA subsidiary Inca Investments. AeroFarms, which emerged from bankruptcy in 2023, has focused on profitable microgreens production and has been successful in recent quarters. AeroFarms raises fresh equity, refinances debt in profitable push. AeroFarms, the indoor vertical farming company based in Ringgold, Virginia, has successfully refinanced its debt and raised new equity financing to support its operations. The company's CEO, Molly Montgomery, emphasized their vision of providing local food production while preserving natural resources. With support from investors like Sigler Guff and Waterside Commercial Finance, AeroFarms has secured interim financing and a more favorable interest rate for its operations. Despite a decline in funding for vertical farming companies, AeroFarms has demonstrated profitability and sustainability, focusing on producing microgreens at scale. With a strong emphasis on higher-margin products, AeroFarms aims to play a significant role in the global fresh food supply chain. Nutritional Products International founder Mitch Gould celebrates 4 decades of industry leadership. Mitch Gould, founder and CEO of Nutritional Products International, NPI, is celebrating over 4 decades of industry leadership in brand building, product launches, and U.S. retail distribution. Gould's expertise has helped numerous companies succeed in the U.S. market, securing major product placements in top retailers like Home Depot, Walmart, and Costco. Over the years, Gould expanded his focus to health, wellness, and sports nutrition, working with high-profile athletes and celebrities to launch successful product lines. Recognizing the challenges faced by overseas brands entering the U.S. market, Gould developed the Evolution of Distribution platform, providing a streamlined pathway to success. Partnering with InHealth Media, NPI offers a full-service solution for distribution, promotion, and brand visibility, driving success for brands of all sizes. Learn more about NPI's unique distribution strategies at nutricompany.com.
Winds unveils Winds Technology and Risk Advisory Services. Winds, a premier advisory and accounting firm, has launched Winds Technology and Risk to address the rising threat of cyber attacks and increasing regulatory scrutiny facing today's businesses. The new service line delivers end-to-end cybersecurity, IT governance, and risk advisory solutions tailored for mid-market companies navigating the complex digital landscape. With over 30 years of combined experience, the Winds Technology and Risk team offers expertise in areas such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, ISO 27001, SOC reporting, virtual CISO services, security awareness training, penetration testing, incident response planning, and advanced advisory analytics. By centralizing technology and risk expertise, Winds provides integrated solutions to help businesses build resilience, meet compliance standards, and extract value from data across various industries. Contact the Winds Technology and Risk team to learn more about how they can support your organization's cybersecurity and compliance goals.
Zycon announces Unboxed, a Zycon learning experience, a full-day educational event for label and packaging professionals. Zycon announces Unboxed, a Zycon learning experience, a full-day educational event for label and packaging professionals. This immersive event, taking place at the Zycon North American Innovation Center in Elgin, Illinois, offers attendees curated sessions, real-world demos, and opportunities for candid conversations with industry experts. Designed to provide actionable insights for professionals across the label and packaging value chain, Unboxed emphasizes education over sales and discovery over product pitches. The event will feature educational sessions, real-world demonstrations, a live case study with RepaCorp, interactive sample stations, one-to-one conversations with Zycon leadership, and a private dinner cruise on the Chicago River. Whether you're a printer, converter, brand manager, designer, or creative agency, Unboxed offers a hands-on opportunity to learn from experts in a dynamic environment. Secure your seat for this insight-driven experience on Wednesday, September 25th, 2025, at the Zycon North American Innovation Center in Elgin, IL. Under Armour says tariffs will cut profit in half in 2025. Under Armour expects tariffs to reduce its profitability by around 50% this year, with Chief Executive Kevin Plank revealing the impact to analysts. The sportswear company plans to offset the costs by increasing prices and refining its product range to position itself as a more premium brand. Prices for its tech t-shirt have already risen to $25, and a $45 hat is now available. Despite a 4% revenue decrease in the first quarter, the company is making progress with improved gross margins and a more focused product lineup. However, challenges remain as sales continue to lag behind previous years, and competition from trendier brands like Hoka and On poses a threat to Under Armour's market position. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.